So the electric guitar comes in on the 7th fret on the B string. Then you hammer down on the 8th fret. And then you're going to slide down to the 3rd fret. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next part, after you play on the 7th fret and then the 8th fret and the 3rd on the B string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what that is going from the G string on the 4th fret, hammer down on the 5th fret on the G string, and then you're going to slide down from the 5th fret and pull off to an open G string. Like that. So sliding down and pulling off. Once you get to the bottom. More like that. And then crescendo, mainly playing that G string, but also playing the D and the B string, because that's your open chord. And then it goes to that minor, the B minor. Starting on the 8th fret, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to play it in the song. I've got a new interpretation. I've got a new interpretation, and it's a better point of view. Are you looking for a landslide? I was looking out for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the solo for Looking Out, you're going to start on the 4th fret on the G string with your first finger. So that's the first part. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to play on the 7th fret with your 4th finger on the G string. Twice, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to play on the 5th fret on the D string with your 2nd finger. Then you're going to play with your 4th finger on the 7th fret on the D string twice. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then again, 1, 2, 3, 4. All together, you play that twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that next part, after you play you're going to jump from the D string to the G string on the 7th fret, and you're going to slide up to the 12th right after you play it. So you're going just like that. So that's 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you switch to the 11th fret. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's 11th fret, 9th fret, all on the G string. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So from the slide, 1, 2, and 3, and sliding down to the 7th. So from the 12th, from the 7th going up to the 12th, sliding down to the 7th, to the 5th, sliding down to the 4th, sliding down to the 2nd. So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that was sliding from the 2nd to the 4th on the G string. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and so from the 2nd to the 4th on the G string, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, and so that's with your 4th finger on the 7th fret, back to the 4th, then you jump to the B string on the 4th fret, so that's sliding up from the 4th to the 5th, to the 7th, and then hammering down on the 8th fret on the B string. So that's from here so that's going from the 8th fret going to the 7th fret, twice on the 8th fret, then to the 7th fret on the G string, and then your ring finger hammering down on the 9th fret on the G string, and then putting your 2nd finger on the E string on the 8th fret twice. So that's hammering down, so that's, and I'm only playing the G string and the E string. Then lifting my middle finger, my 2nd finger, to press down on the E string on the 7th fret, and to pluck with a downstroke with my pick on the G string, because I'm pressing with my first finger on the 7th fret, and I also want to pluck with my second finger, which is my middle finger in my right hand, up on the E string, and I want to do that together at the same time. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the ending. All together. Let's do that extra slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four.